Hello, I'm Bruno. I'm the director of customer success at wonderpush.com. I wanted to record this testimonial video on behalf of Kbizsoft agency. I started working with Kbizsoft 2 years ago. Basically, we needed some expert to increase our SEO ranking in specific countries. And we started with one dedicated expert. And as the collaboration was so successful, we now get around 4 dedicated experts. So I can say that we are really happy with the collaboration. Indeed, on one hand, I'm daily informed about every work done by the expert, which provide me confidence. And on the other hand, the mission is a success as our visibility has significantly increased. That definitely helps us to get our brand trusted by brothers and so acquire more customers. So I highly recommend Kbizsoft agency for its professionalism and its engagement. Thank you very much.